welcome to LearnCity. My name is Praise, and in today's class, we'll briefly talk about construction of quadratic equations from sum and product of roots. Construction of quadratic equations from sum and product of roots. Now, if alpha and beta are the roots of the equation ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0, then we have x squared minus alpha plus beta plus alpha beta will be 0, where we have it to be x squared minus sum of roots plus product of roots. Now, find the quadratic equation whose roots are 2, 3, minus 3, 2, 1 over 2 and 2 over 3, 1, 1 over 3, and 3, minus 3. So the first one, here we have it to be 2, 3. So for the sum, you have it 2 plus 3 to be 5. For the product, you have it to be 2 times 3, which is 6. So we'll get it to be x squared minus 5 plus 6 equals to 0. For the second one, we have 1 over 2 and 3 over 2. We have this to be 2, c is 1. So we have here to be 2. So our alpha plus beta is 2. So our alpha times beta will be 1 over 2 times 3 over 2. Here we have it to be 3 over 4. So and here we have it to be x squared minus 2 plus 3 over 4. So in this case, we can easily write it to be 4x squared minus 8x plus 3, which is equals to 0 when we multiply through by 4. Now, for the third one, where we have minus 3 and 2. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. And we have minus 3 times 2 is minus 6. So we can have it to be x squared, where we have minus, will now be minus 1 plus minus 6. So we now have it to be x squared plus x minus 6. So where we have minus 3 plus 3. Minus 3, 3. So alpha plus beta will be minus 3 plus 3 to be 0. And here we have it to be x squared minus 9, which is equals to 0. And for the last one, we have 1 and 1 over 3. So where we have alpha plus beta will be 1 plus 1 over 3. So we have this test to be 4 over 3. And we have our alpha beta will be 1 times 1 over 3. Here will be 1 over 3. So we can have it to be x squared minus 4 over 3x plus 1 over 3. So basically, when we multiply 3 by 3, we have it to be 3x squared minus 4x plus 1, which is equals to 0. And this brings us to the end of our class on construction of quadratic equation from sum and product of roots. And in our next class, we will be talking about a new topic entirely. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and comment on our videos, and I'll be seeing you in the next class.